Hi, of course you surf from websites to listen to music. So haven't you wondered how could it get uploaded to the website? In this lesson you will learn how to upload an audio in your web page. So here I have three audios. One its type is MP3 and another one OGG and the last one is WAV. So using an audio element or tag, and then to upload the file or the audio we will use a source element. So source and then src and the directory for the audio. So because the HTML file and the audio are in the same folder, so I just have to write the name of the audio and also its type. So for example, let we upload this one. So its name is and its type is MP3 and then a type attribute equal to audio / mpeg. So let me now save and see. Nothing happened. I did this wrong in purpose to show you something that most of people forget it. Here we have to use an attribute controls. So let me see now. Nice. If we open it, nice. It will now upload the second one. So the same thing, I will copy this audio and just change here the source. So the name is and the type is OGG. Make sure you type the name and the type correctly. So here the type is OGG. Nice. Let we see if we type the directory wrongly. The player will be uploaded to the page, but without any audio. So if we return it back, nice, here is the audio. But we now add the last one, and the directory is and its type WAV, and here the type is WAV. Nice. So here is the last one. Let we now make something cool and include this audio within a field set element. So let me make it a form. So let me save now. There's something wrong with the first one. Here. Nice. So here is a field set of categories songs. Let me now show you some attributes. So for example, let me make an autoplay for this song. The second one. Let me see. So autoplay is according to your browser. Some browsers need permission or need you to make a permission manually to make autoplay. So in Opera and Google Chrome, sometimes it doesn't make automatically autoplay. So let me see this. If we try to play the first audio, it won't autoplay. But if we try to play the second one, it will be autoplayed. Nice. But if we use Firefox to open this page, so let me just take this link and open the page using Firefox. So it's the same thing. We have to click on the song so it will be open. But if you see here, permission autoplay sound is blocked. So we have to allow autoplay from the browser. So block websites from automatically playing sound and check it and then reload again. So the song will be autoplayed. So it's according to the browser you use. To return back. Also we can make it muted. So no, let me make it for the second one too. We can make it muted. You see on YouTube that there is an autoplay, but it mute the sound. So let me save and try now. So the sound is muted for the second audio. We can also make it preload. So what is the meaning of preload? Let me try now. So let me make it for the last one and equal to none. So as you see now, we can control the sound, and also we have to play the audio from the play arrow. And the last attribute we have is loop. So loop will make the audio keep playing even if the song or the audio is over. So let's play the first one. So once it got finished, it will be auto played. Nice. So that's everything about audio. In the next lesson, I will explain how to upload a video in your page. We learned how to display a video in the web page using iframe. Practice this lesson and see you in the next lesson.